Oh, these are some nice flowers. I'ma get a bit closer. Seems like the flowers want to tell me something. What the? I'm using Trello now, so I finally have a plan of what I'm actually doing, so now I welcome you to my amazing weekly devlog of Nameless game. I did something remarkable this week, so let's get right to the first point: designing. I made a Questsystem and a Diagoguesystem. Wow! You can see the storyline, which I'm not gonna show further on the left side. Nevertheless, you can see information for which quest you have to complete in the respective chapter on the right side. Each chapter can only be unlocked if you complete everything in the previous chapter. To demonstrate how the quest system works, I select this quest under the beginning and accept it at this stone.
This is the most amazing stone.
And now I collect the necessary circles from the floor. I will add a shortened version of the quest target in a small UI, so that you don't always have to enter the quest menu. I didn't notice that I forget the programming part, so I'll just skip that. That has to be enough for today. Now for the last point of the list: planning. Sadly, I had no time to make more textures, which is why the Fortress in the Indian might be postponed till next week or the weeks after that. This story is being developed by the team member, but I won't show anything because of le spoilers. At least that's the plan for now. Maybe I release it sometime in the future. And this was it for the third devlog of my Nameless game. I would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel to get all updates about my Nameless game. Also don't forget to like this video and write a comment which feature should be in the game too. I'll go coding now, you should too, cheerio.